easy up. We don't have this in a great spot for you, but you're up and you're clear. On down. Tackles at 20. At 20. A little bit more, and hold what you got. Hook it up. Hey, hook top coming up. Off the tension. 3, 2, 1. On up. More. Get your tension. That's good. Come on up. Light. Off the deck. Clear us. And you're clear to me. Got the GoPro on this, Jim? Alright, I see it. Alright, looking good. Clear to me. Up about 20 there. About 12. Down 10. About 8. 7. 6. 5. Give you a spin. You're right at 5 there. Lining you up. Spin you around. There's 3. Lining you up. And line you up. Hold that for me. And come on, easy, down 3, down 2, down 1 inches. Gonna go a little to your tail. Bump towards your tail for me. And a little bit more. There's your tension. A little bit more. Come on. Alright, give me a little up, little up. And alright, there we go. Let me see that. Let me see that. For me, checking underneath here. Alright, looks good. Come on down. Time for both rigging. Alright, easy up, come on up.